Okay, it is October 18th, close to 4 o'clock, and the wind's been just blowing like crazy. And we have our dome sitting here and kind of a little concerned whether it will like travel around the yard and float around or anything. I know right now we have it all kind of secured with some with some lines kind of holding it together, but I don't think that there's anything actually stick it in the ground. So I suppose when Alan gets home, we need to secure this baby to the ground. But so far, it hasn't moved 1 inch. So that's kind of nice to know, and kind of wanted to document that strength of the yurt of the yurt of the dome, and got it covered with a tarp to kind of keep the wood from warping or expanding in the connectors. But the connectors are strong. I don't think this is going to be a good test. They shouldn't break. But I'm going to continue to kind of document this today and see how it weathers the storm. And hopefully that will be a testimony in this part of the country, and for people that are really wanting this for a shelter for the winter, that have no other options, that may prove to be something pretty useful. So keep you updated.